At your books, page 58, and the end of the Captain Shadow and his friend and her friends' adventures. Okay?
Okay.
And now look at picture 1. Picture 1. Who can you see in picture 1? Aleyna?
Captain Shadow, Bluebird Sisters.
Captain Shadow and but can you see?
Onları da göremiyoruz ki hayalet olma.
Don't speak Turkish. Okay? Can you see the Bluebird Sisters?
No, I can't.
Yes, we can't see the Bluebird Sisters because they are invisible. Okay? They are invisible. And yes, look at Captain Shadow. Look at Captain Shadow. What has she got in her hat? What has Captain Shadow got in her hat? Yes?
Pink Hills.
Yes, she has got pink heels. Why? Why has she got pink heels in her hat? Why? Because she gives it to Bluebird Sisters, and Bluebird Sisters takes it, and then we can see that. Okay? And we can see that. Look at picture 2. 5 minutes later. Okay? Who can you see in picture 2? Eylan?
Bean and Captain Shadow and
No. Bean, Captain Shadow,
Woody
and Bluebird Sisters. Okay? And what is Bean doing? What is Bean doing? Nida, what is Bean doing? Yes? He is opening or closing the door? He is closing the door. He is closing the door. Why? Because there is Professor Brain in the room. Okay? There is Professor Brain in the room, and they closed and they knocked the door. And look at picture 3. What is Captain Shadow doing? What's Captain Shadow doing in picture 3? Is that? What's she doing? Ella?
she's penetratlıyor window.
Yes,
She's window.
she's going outside. She's going outside. Why? Why is she going outside? Yes?
Çünkü o şey
Not Turkish, in English. Yes, why? Because she's a detective. She's a detective, and so she doesn't want everybody to see him. Okay, because her job is secret. She has got a secret job. Okay, and now look at picture 4. Who can you see in picture 4? Is it?
Captain Shadow and Bluebird Sisters.
Yes. What are they doing?
They are
They are talking. Yes, they are talking. And Bluebird Sisters are thanking to Captain Shadow. Okay? And look at picture 5. What can you see in picture 5? What can you see in picture 5? Aleyna?
children
No. What is this? What's this? Yes?
Woody, Bean, Poppy, and Bluebird Sisters.
It's a newspaper.
Yes.
Okay? It's a newspaper. And picture 6. Look at picture 6. Yes. What are Bluebird Sisters doing in picture 6? Bluebird Sisters. What are they doing? Yes, they are talking. Yes, they are talking to They are
They are song.
singing. They are singing a song for Bean, Poppy, and Woody. And what is the song? What is the song? Yes, picture 8. What is the song? Now let's sing together. Yes, he was a very bad man. Sing together. Sing together. Yes, he was a very bad man. He had a very bad plan. And look at picture 9. Picture 9. Yes, what are Poppy, Bean, and Woody doing in picture 9? Is it?
They are eating food.
Yes, they are eating and they are smiling. Are they happy or sorry? Are they happy or sorry? Are they happy or sorry? Alena? They are. They are happy. Why? Why are they happy?